Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Stop work and disconnect power before touching the disposal unit. Locate the circuit breaker or unplug the unit from under the sink. This prevents accidental motor start while you inspect. Next, visually check the sink and drain for obvious debris or utensils. Humming usually means the motor is energized, but the impeller is jammed. Press the red reset button on the disposal bottom if present. Allow the unit to sit for 10 seconds before testing power again. Place a 1/4-inch hex wrench into the disposal bottom socket and apply steady force. Rotate the wrench back and forth to free a stuck impeller manually. If you see lodged debris, use pliers or a wooden spoon to remove the obstruction safely. Do not insert your hand into the grinding chamber under any circumstance. After freeing the impeller, press the reset button if it popped. Restore power briefly and run cold water while testing the disposal's operation. If humming persists, inspect the mounting flange and motor housing for looseness or leaks. Tighten mounting bolts evenly to ensure a secure fit and prevent misalignment. Verify electrical connections under the sink are tight and dry. Tighten any loose wire nuts. If the motor hums after reset and will not turn, the internal armature or overload switch may be damaged. Continuous humming with burning smells or tripped breakers indicates replacement. Remove the unit by disconnecting power, drain lines, and mounting assembly for swap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.